Hello, welcome to our channel.
Diesel heater on because it's freezing at the top of these edge of these valleys.
Feel underneath my pink seat. Feel like,
And we got the kettle on, haven't we, darling?
We have, darling.
Time for a brew, I think, eh?
Yes.
There's the navigator doing her best. Right, with that, guys, I'll take you over to the slideshow, and possibly might be some history with it. So, ta-da for now. Hi, boys and girls. God, did we have a great park up last night? Oh my God! I'm just going to show you that. Oh, I look knackered. The view that we've just stopped. This isn't a park up, but it could be a park up. I'll show you the view. Look at that, guys. Doesn't get any better than that. Look. Wind farms. There's a reservoir down there by the look of it. Anyway, I'm going to turn the camera off because it's bloody freezing.
I'm a traveling spirit, I've seen many shores, from the West Pacific to the island of Cano. They treat me like a son anywhere I go, and even though no one can tell, I still feel that I'm alone. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own. On my own.
What a great lay-by. Lovely suspension. Oh, look at that, guys. Don't get any better than that, does it? Yeah. So I hope you're enjoying the videos amongst what's going on, craziness, and yeah, thank you to all you original subscribers, and thank you to a few new ones. If you like the content, you know, that we're putting up, like, share and subscribe. Bye for now.